Today I want to show you how to replace your upper spray arm on your Frigidaire Gallery dishwashers. This one's a built-in type around 2009-ish. And here's the upper spray arm. It's a common problem with these. What happens is the mount that's on top of the dishwasher separates from the arm. So the arm just drops into the dishwasher. So you would have to replace the entire arm assembly. It ain't that hard. And the first thing you got to do is open the door like this. And the next thing you got to do is slide the top rack out. And there's these little plastic stops you got to remove to get the rack out. So you just take your finger like this and reach below like that and unsnap them. There's one on each side. You just lift them out like this. Unlatch it. Set that on top of the counter. Then take your rack and just slide it out like that and set it aside. And the next thing you got to do is loosen the mount. You just take your hand like this and unscrew it. Just unscrew it. And you see there's threads over there on top. And here's the mount. This is the part I'm going to be using. Electrolux part number 154754502. Spray arm assembly, upper spray arm assembly. It costs $13 on eBay with free shipping. And here it is. Please check your model and serial numbers just to be sure for an exact fit for your model appliance. And this inner threaded part screws on to the upper threaded part on top of the dishwasher. And the spray arm assembly has an approved clip, so the separation between the mount and the spray arm does not happen again. It has an approved clip. Here's the spray arm again. Make sure the female threaded inside screws onto the male end right up here. Perfect. A second view. Now it's time to put the dishwasher back together. The next thing you got to do is make sure your guide wheels on your top rack slide into these tracks here. There's two guide wheels on each side of the rack. There's one, two, and on the other side there's another two. Make sure both wheels are in each track, so you can slide the rack in and out. Like that. And when the upper rack guide wheels are in place on both sides, the next thing you got to do is reinstall your stop clips. These plastic stop clips here. Just put them in place and snap them. Got it. Make sure those are on both sides so the rack doesn't slip out when you're sliding it out. Then you're done.